Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find general management. So just find those switchers icon, let's say, and tap on it. Then tap on the first option, language, and tap on add language. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so find yours and tap on it. Then tap on the region if you can, and here your device will ask you whether you'd like to set a new language as a default one. So tap on set as default, so this option right here on the right. And now your device will immediately apply the language to the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you wish to change it again, just tap on another language here and tap on change. And now we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit in the right upper corner and mark the language, tap on delete and tap on remove. And this is how to get rid of the languages here in this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.